You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Hello, this is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority here with an update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for June 8, 2023. As of 6 p.m. today, GWA remains at 86 wells operational, with about half on island power and half operating on generators. Total production from our wells is estimated at about 31 million gallons a day of water into our central and northern systems. Our reservoir levels in certain areas climbed a bit, but we are still needing to get them back to pre-storm levels. Operations continue to construct a temporary booster pump system to get water to the Sinifa area in Santa Rita. However, with the slight increase in northern well water, we were able to begin restoration of Sinifa yesterday and finished restoring the Sumay Memorial neighborhood early this morning. We've also made some progress in higher elevations in GWA, and this afternoon we were able to send water up to the highest elevations of Mount Santa Rosa. As the GWA water systems continue to stabilize and return to normal operating pressures, we will continue to conduct sampling and testing to confirm our water is safe to drink. I know there has been some confusion about the Guam EPA Do Not Drink order, which was issued 2 days ago. But I want to assure the public the Guam EPA order does not apply to GWA water at your tap or GWA water in our potable water tankers and flex tanks. For additional information, please visit guamwaterworks.org/Mawar updates. Thank you and si Diyos masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.